ChatGPT Hidden Features Part 11.
So let's discuss about very basic features which many people don't know about this, that is dictate and voice mode. So to understand it better, let's start with a quick example. Dictate means you are dictating its voice to text. It will transcribe, right? How is the weather in San Francisco today? And you will tick mark this. Now it will give you an option if you want to add something, if like sometime when you speak you have different accent, it doesn't understand, you can make the changes over here. But on mobile you will not get that option, which I will show later. So this way you will submit this, and it's a very great practice for people those who like very lazy in typing. Like I'm not fast in typing. Sometimes I give up few ideas because I feel, oh my god, I have to type. So people like me, this dictate mode is like a blessings. So now let's start with voice mode. How is the weather in San Francisco today?
So today in San Francisco, you've got some low clouds in the morning that will...
So perfect. So it will give you, it's like Alexa. So it's a voice mode, and there are few features which you will get on mobile, which you will not get on this desktop. So let me quickly share that what the difference you will get over there. Now let me show the same feature on mobile. So as you can see, the dictate one, the same thing. How is the weather in San Francisco today? But over here you will not get that tick button. So whatever you have said, you have to like over there you can do the edit, but here you will not get that option, right? But you will get one added thing in the voice mode. So I will show you here. As you can see, CC mode. CC means closed caption, right? So let me select that.
Yes, that's correct. CC stands for closed caption, so you can definitely turn that on if you prefer to read along. If you have any other questions, just let me know.
Perfect. Now you have this option. You can change the speakers, right? And right now it is in the phone mode. Reason the voice was very low. You can put on the speaker.
Got it. I'll make sure to keep my volume at a comfortable level for you. If there's anything else I can adjust or help with.
Perfect, right? So this way you will get the better option over here. And one more exciting thing. Yes, so we are about to get some exciting standard voice. Means it will get retired, and we'll be getting something interesting after 9th September 2025. Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT what we'll be getting. So after 9th September, what will be the update in this voice mode? Can you update?
After September 9th, 2025, OpenAI will be retiring the standard voice mode and switching everyone over to the ChatGPT voice. This update is going to bring faster responses and more natural conversational flow and a bit more expressivity. So it should be a fun upgrade.
Perfect. So really excited about that. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you.